everyone, my name is Katie and I'll be showing you how to access Rosetta Stone, the language learning app, through Stockton-San Joaquin County Public Library for absolutely free. First, you're going to want to go to our website, ssjcpl.org, which will take you to our homepage. From here, you can either just go ahead and click the Rosetta Stone icon right here at the bottom, or we can go up to Learning, Online Learning, and then click on Rosetta Stone. Once you've clicked on it, it will open a new tab that will ask you for your library card number. This is the barcode number at the bottom of either the keychain or wallet-sized card that you have. Once you've entered your library card number, it will take you to this page. Now, whether you're a first-time user or you've logged in before, you will come to this page. You're going to go ahead and enter your email and a password, and then select the language that you would like to learn. As you can see, there are quite a few offerings here. After you've entered your email address, your password, and selected your language, you'll find yourself on this page. You can go ahead and go up to Launch Rosetta Stone Foundations and click that link. Once it has loaded the page, it will ask you whether you would like to allow permissions for your microphone if you have one. If you don't have a microphone or if you prefer not to allow access, you can simply click Don't Allow, and this will limit your language learning application to just text-based operations. I do recommend allowing it because then you get the total practice of speaking and having it correct your pronunciation as well. Here we can go ahead and select Start to go to our core lesson, which will be the very first lesson. We can also go up to Extended Learning, which offers a phrase book or the audio companion. Additionally, there is a settings selection here where you can adjust your voice recognition, your speaker settings, as well as the course settings for entering different letters that might not be in your typical configuration of your keyboard. As always, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to give us a call. We're available at 209-937-8221, and we're more than happy to help. Have fun exploring and take care.